Fayetteville voters approved $97 million in general obligation bonds to fund projects that will meet the needs of our growing community. The first bond referendum was for $60 million to go to public safety investments, such as building a new 911 communication center and renovating and building new fire and police stations. The second bond referendum is for $25 million in public infrastructure projects such as street pavement, intersection improvements, bike lanes, and sidewalks. The final bond referendum was for $12 million in housing opportunity initiatives to encourage new development, revitalization of neighborhoods, and support home ownership programs. Projects and priorities funded by the general obligation bonds represent a transformative investment in our community and were identified by staff and citizen feedback. Follow the progress of the different bond projects at the city's website, fayettevillenc.gov/bond. The Fayetteville City Council has approved a new social district for the downtown area that will allow for alcoholic beverages sold by downtown businesses to be carried on the streets and consumed in public. Recent changes in state law allows for the new district. The drinks can only be carried in designated areas of the downtown area and have to be in a plastic cup supplied by the businesses. Signs will be placed to mark the boundaries of the social district. The hours that drinks will be allowed in the social district will be from noon to 10 at night for every day except for Sunday. And on Sundays, the hours are extended to begin at 10 in the morning to 10 at night. To learn more about the social district, visit fayettevillenc.gov/social district. The new social district will go into effect in December and will be reevaluated after 6 months. With the ceremonial opening of the Velvet Ropes, Phase 2 of renovations of the Fayetteville Regional Airport are completed, and the airport is open to the public. The second phase of renovation included expansion of the facility with new and updated amenities. $37 million in safety, security, and experience renovation was made possible through grants from the Federal Aviation Administration, the state of North Carolina, and Airport Fund Balance. No tax-based general fund dollars were used to fund the project. Terminal renovations Phase 2 began in early 2020 following the completion of Phase 1. In addition to the renovations, the airport, in collaboration with the Arts Council of Fayetteville and Cumberland County, installed a dynamic art piece in the ceiling of the airport rotunda. After reviewing dozens of proposals from across the country, Angelique Jackson of Janik Arts International was selected. More than 80 mirror-like metal panels are suspended on wires from the ceiling of the rotunda. The budget amount for this project was $50,000. Completion of the renovations and art installation is just in time for the holiday travel season. Travelers in the region who choose to fly Faye will be able to save time and enjoy the all-new experience of the Fayetteville Regional Airport. Volunteers with the Institute for Community Leadership, also known as ICL, rolled up their sleeves recently to learn the latest form of CPR that is designed to be learned quickly and help save lives. The all-hands CPR race cars trial can be trained in 30 minutes or less. What makes this form of CPR different is that it involves only chest compressions and cuts out mouth-to-mouth resuscitation. The act of chest compressions not only pumps the heart, but also helps to move air in and out of the lungs. The goal is to improve survival rates for people with cardiac arrest. The Fayetteville Fire Department's ultimate goal is to see the citizens and visitors of Fayetteville be among the first in the state and nation to see the benefits of the race car trials and increase the overall survival rate of those who experience sudden cardiac arrest. Participants with ICL who undergo the CPR training will then go into their communities to train as many citizens as possible. ICL is Fayetteville and Cumberland County's joint community leadership program. The City of Fayetteville hosts the ICL event on the third Tuesday every November, and next year in 2023 will be the sponsoring host for the entire program. The City of Fayetteville is getting festive for the winter holidays. The fun kicked off with Christmas in the Park right after Thanksgiving. Enjoy a leisurely drive through Arnett Park while taking in the sights and sounds of the holiday season. Christmas in the Park is a drive-through event powered by Fayetteville PWC, featuring a beautiful combination of holiday-themed displays and a festival of lights and a natural woodland. Arnett Park spans 100 acres adjacent to the Cape Fear River and is located at 2165 Wilmington Highway. Christmas in the Park is open to the public every evening from 6 to 9, except for Fridays and Saturdays. And the best part? Admission is free. You can also head downtown for some holiday spirit at City Hall. The Transit Center and downtown businesses are decorated for the holidays. Fayetteville Area System of Transit partnered with Grace Creek High School to decorate 7 trees in the lobby of the Fast Transit Center. Students and staff decorated the trees to share Christmas cheer with passengers passing through the Transit Center.